तुम्हारा चेहरा मुझे किसी की याद दिलाता है। Your face reminds me of someone. Your face reminds me of someone. ये फ़ायदे का सौदा नहीं है। It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. क्या वहाँ जाना फ़ायदेमंद है? Is it worthwhile going there? Is it worthwhile going there? राम बहुत देर बाद आया। Ram came after a long. Ram came after a long. वो बहुत देर बाद आया था। He had come after a long. He had come after a long. वो दबे पांव कमरे में घुसा। He tiptoed into the room. He tiptoed into the room. आँख मत मारो। Don't wink. Don't wink. वक वक मत करो। Don't prattle. Don't prattle. Or you can say stop your gap. Stop your gap. रोटी कैसे बनाएं? How to roll the chapati. How to roll the chapati. इसे अपनी ही चीज़ समझें। It's all yours. It's all yours. कहीं घूमने जाने का मन कर रहा है। I feel like going somewhere. I feel like going somewhere. उसने सोचा और सच कर दिया। He thought and materialized. He thought and materialized. मैं सपने साकार कर दूंगा। I will materialize the dreams. I will materialize the dreams. वो हकला रहा था। He was stammering. He was stammering. मैं आज ही नौकरी पर आया हूँ। I have joined today only. I have joined today only. दरवाजे पे कौन खड़ा है? Who is standing at the door? Who is standing at the door? तुम्हारे रूखे व्यवहार से उसे चोट पहुंची है। Your rude behavior has hurt him. Your rude behavior has hurt him. मैं पूरा प्रयास करूँगा। I will try my level best. I will try my level best. बहुत दिनों से आपको नहीं देखा। Long time no see. Long time no see. मैं क्या क्या खा सकता हूँ? What all can I eat? What all can I eat? लड़के चाय पी रहे थे। The boys were taking tea. The boys were taking tea. यही मोबाइल मैं चाहता था। This is the very mobile I want. This is the very mobile I want. वह आजकल मौज में है। He is enjoying these days. He is enjoying these days. चपरासी कमरे की सफाई करेगा। The peon will clean the room. The peon will clean the room. इन सब फाइलों को लेकर जाओ। Bring all these files. Bring all these files. ये किताब किसकी है? Whose is this book? Whose is this book? मैं आज यह पुस्तक पढ़ूंगा. I will read this book today. I will read this book today. तुम मेज साफ कर रहे थे. You were cleaning the table. You were cleaning the table. मैंने चैन की सांस ली. I signed of relief. I signed of relief. Or you can say I took a sigh of relief. I took a sigh of relief. या I breathed a sigh of relief. I breathed a sigh of relief. तुम अब चैन की सांस ले सकते हो. Now you can sigh of relief. Now you can sigh of relief. Or you can say now you can take a sigh of relief. Now you can take a sigh of relief. मैं तुम पर भरोसा कैसे कर सकता हूँ? How can I trust you? How can I trust you? ग्लास में थोड़ा पानी और डालो. Pour some more water into the glass. Pour some more water into the glass. हम रास्ता भूल गए. We have lost our way. We have lost our way. श्याम तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा था. श्याम was standing behind you. श्याम was standing behind you. अपने स्वास्थ्य का ध्यान रखें. Take care of your health. Take care of your health. मैं कुछ कह रही हूँ. I am saying something. I am saying something. अपने कमरे में जाओ और इंतज़ार करो. Go to your room and wait there. Go to your room and wait there. कृपया मेरे लिए एक गिलास पानी लाइए. Please bring a glass of water for me. Please bring a glass of water for me.